Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. So today we're turning up the heat with 5 whole Jamaican style jerk chickens. Yes, you heard me, 5 whole chicken. It's going to be smoky, spicy, and made for a crowd. A few years ago, I learned the secret to real Jamaican jerk. It's all about the pace and the patience. I'm scaling that secret up so you can feed a party without breaking a sweat. So without further ado, grab a drink, settle in, and let's make something unforgettable. So here are some of the ingredients that you'll need, but if you want the exact amount, then you can check my description below because I'll have them listed there. So let's get into it. Alright, so then you're going to go ahead with your chicken. You're going to cut it in 4 equal parts. So you're going to have like the thigh and the leg and the breast and the wing. Once you finish cutting them in 4 equal parts, you're going to go ahead and rinse it in lemon water like 2 to 3 times. And fun fact guys, the lemon, it actually reduce any bacteria content that may be on the chicken and any off aroma, so any unpleasant smell, not like spoilage or anything, but it's like, you know, this chicken has this strong smell. The lemon can actually get rid of that. Next, you're going to want to pat dry your chicken, and the reason for this is because it makes the marinade or seasoning binds more easily to your chicken, and when you're jerking it, it doesn't flare up or anything. Then you're going to get a cup of water. You're going to add that to your blender along with your habanero or Scotch Bonnet pepper with some fresh onions and your regular onion and your fresh thyme. You're going to blend that. And you're also going to add 2 tablespoons of jerk marinade. This is the Walkerswood brand, but if you don't have that brand or any jerk marinade, that's okay. You don't have to add any because the habanero pepper and all the other spices that you add is going to make it still taste very good, so you can skip that. Next, we're going to go ahead and season our chicken with all our part of chicken. So just grab all these seasoning in your cabinet. I'm just kidding, but you want to grab all the seasoning that are listed here because this gives the chicken a really good flavor. And as you guys can see, I'm not really using any measurement. I just pour until I just say it's enough. So but if you really want a description, you can comment down below and I can tell you, like, if you're cooking or jerking just like 1 chicken, I could give you the ingredients that you need and the amount, the exact amount. Once you finish with your powder seasoning, you're going to go in and also add your marinade. And I did this in 2 containers, so this was not all of the chicken. I went off camera and also seasoned the other batch. And you're also going to add some browning because this is what gives the chicken its color. And so this was the other batch. I did this off camera, but I seasoned all the chicken. I didn't have a big enough container guys, but this was the marinade and I let it sit in the fridge. I covered it and let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours. And then this was the next day. It was well marinated for 24 hours. If you don't have 24 hours, that's okay. You can let it marinate for an hour or 2. That will still be okay. But ideally, I would say 24 hours. This makes the seasoning soak into the chicken. So this was what it looks like. The marinade was binding to it, you see. And then I went ahead and started on my grill. And yes, I did make the fire. Guys, you can use engine oil. Let me not say that. I don't want these kids causing a explosion in their parents' house. But yeah, this started the fire. Once you get the fire started and going, you want to ensure that it's not too much coal because then the chicken will burn and not slowly cook. You want the chicken to slowly cook because you don't want it to burn. Once the fire is hot and everything, then you can go ahead and add your chicken. And I forgot how long I let these chicken on the grill for. I just keep turning them until like 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then I tempt it. Yep. Then I also use the marinade to make a jerk marinade sauce. I added ketchup and barbecue sauce along with some other seasoning. If you guys want the ingredients, you can comment below and I can tell you what the ingredients is if you want to know how to make the jerk marinade sauce. And I can also make a video, just let me know guys. And I also did some corn because jerk chicken without corn, oh, jerk chicken and corn is so good. So I did quite a few corns. I was busy making the sauce, and then they kind of burned a little bit, but they were still good. And guys, and I learned something while I was doing this. If you want your corn to stay juicy and sweet, when you take them out, you can just let them soak in water so it doesn't get dry and hard. So this was after like 30 minutes. I started turning the chicken, and as you guys can see, it didn't burn. It has a little darker color, but it didn't burn. So you don't want to add too much coal, because the coal will make it burn. You want the chicken to jerk and slow cook. This, when it's slow cook, it's best. So this was after I flipped it a few times, and then I went ahead and temped it. And then this was me. I was testing it, trying to chop it, which didn't go so well. But anyways, this is what the jerk chicken looks like. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.